Hi, welcome to Kitchen Chemistry with Essential Wholesale and Labs. I'm Tinica, and today we're going to make an aromatherapy spray. Okay, to make your relaxing aromatherapy spray, you'll of course need some ingredients, starting with the relaxing essential oil blend that we make. You'll also need acacia gum, and you'll need our body linen spray. So this spray is a combination of ingredients and it's already preserved. You can find it on our website along with the relaxing essential oil blend. So let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is blend together your essential oil and acacia gum. And I know this seems counterintuitive, like why am I going to blend this oil with this powder? But I've discovered in the many ways I've tried to make this that this really is the way to make it the most stable. So go ahead and just pour your essential oils into your gum and kind of mix it together to make a sort of paste. Okay, so now that we've made our acacia gum and essential oil kind of powdery paste, we're going to grab our stick blender and turn it down a little bit so we don't blast the water out of here. Maybe up a little higher than that. Okay, so there we go. That's a pretty good speed. And we're just going to add our mixture to our body linen spray. Looks like I have a little extra in there. And I learned this the other day the hard way working in the lab. You always want to disconnect your mixer head from your mixer if you're going to let go of it. Otherwise you could end up with quite the disaster, like I did. I guess it wasn't really a disaster, just a lot of cleanup. Knocked over some lotion. Okay, so now we'll put the head back on here. Okay, and now we'll continue to mix. And really this goes in quite easily, as you can see. You don't need to heat it. You actually want to avoid heating it, as heat will cook your acacia gum. And acacia gum is a pretty cool, naturally occurring polymer that doesn't build viscosity. So it will keep your essential oils blended and mixed with your water so they don't separate without adding viscosity. Now, one thing about acacia gum, it's a great alternative to polysorbate. Or other solubilizers that you might use that are less natural than acacia. However, you will always have a cloudy solution with acacia gum, so that's something to keep in mind. It will always be cloudy, but it won't separate. So we hope you enjoy your new relaxing aromatherapy spray. Please subscribe for more great videos and be sure to check the website for great deals. Thanks for joining us.